Okay guys, I'm not allowed to make a video, but but my dad's outside, so I'm gonna make a video. So here, I'll show you where he is right now. He's right out there. Oh crap. So guys, I am so dead if he comes in. So right now I'm really bored doing nothing. It's like that time right there and other crap. Let's see where my dad is right now. He's right there. Okay guys. And say hi to my sister.
Hi.
And look at downstairs. Hey look, there's my boot. So peace out guys.